Next, I invite the fourth speaker, Divya from Second BA English, to narrate a short story.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Divya from Second BA English. Today I am talking about a short story, The Magical Sheets. A farmer discovered magical sheets and grew into his standing flowers. Instead of keeping them into his name, instead of keeping them to his friend, himself to share with his neighbors. Soon, the entire village blossomed with the colors and joys, illustrating how shared gift, how shared one's gift beauty bring to the can bring beauty to the world. Moral of the story: sharing